Do you watch professional chefs and wonder how do they do that? Or maybe you've tried to copy their skills, but it's just too dangerous. Well, now you can cut like a chef the safe way with the Houndstooth. Reduce your prep time, get more uniform and precise cuts, gain confidence in the kitchen, and do it all safely when you use the Houndstooth. With the Houndstooth, you're not only shielding your fingers and making professional cuts, you're also training your hand to use proper technique.
I created the Houndstooth along with my son, who also happens to be a professional chef. It uses an ergonomically designed finger cradle system, which ensures comfort, safety, and delivers incredibly detailed control.
The Houndstooth can be used with all styles of knives. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and comes in a variety of colors. To further streamline your food prep and designed for use with the Houndstooth, introducing the Perfect Bite Cutting Board. Made in the USA from maple wood, its patent-pending design features a gripping edge that holds food in place at the correct cutting angle, plus a built-in chute for quick food measurements and transfer. Rubber feet prevent the board from slipping, and a hollowed-out underside makes it lightweight, yet still durable. As a bonus, you also get our easy-to-follow Veggie-torials guide with tips to get started. Order now and we'll throw in a 6-inch Swiss Army chef's knife for free. That's an additional $35 value. So you get the Houndstooth tool, the Perfect Bite Cutting Board, the Veggie-torials, and a chef's knife. That's a $155 value for only $99.95. Take your kitchen skills a cut above the rest with the Houndstooth and the Perfect Bite.